In this video, I'm going to show you how to plot charts in Canva, and then you can demonstrate it to your audience. You can do that using the Canva whiteboard. So let's say I'm on an existing meeting and then I want to share my whiteboard. I can click on the whiteboard and then we can see I want to use a new whiteboard. And I want to add in a chart that people can follow and maybe can edit or plot something. So now we can, so once we're here, we can just go ahead and we can do many things like we explained. In whiteboard, you can have all of these features, and then you can plot charts by coming to the three dots over here. You come to more tools, and then you can come to charts, and you can see you have different charts: bar chart horizontal, line chart, and even pie chart. So let's say we're going to go with bar chart vertical, and click and just select anywhere and paste in. You can resize the size of the chart over here, and then you can double click to change the content. This is the labels. You can change it and name it something. For example, this is a VU. This is maybe 50. As you are changing, you'll be able to see be seeing the corresponding change here. And you can change this to Vala, something like that. You can see it's changing, and you can vary it even with the other features, like you can enable the labels or you disable them, the values, enable or disable. You have some little customization, and then you can add title over here, for example, and then you can have many other things. And once you are done here, you have the option to even export this in PNG by right clicking and come to export. You can export in PDF, PNG, or comma separated CSV. And then you can share also to your followers. You can copy the link and share with them or thereabout. Or you can invite them with the email and they can have access to this particular project or this particular chat. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.